Today's disability benefit tip is treat with your doctor often. Hi, I'm attorney Gregory Dell, and I'm joined today by attorney Cesar Gavidia. And Cesar, in long-term disability insurance claims, claimants often call us and they say, how often should I be seeing my doctor? And they don't know the answer to that. And there's a variety of different answers to this question. So what do you think is the general best advice for how often someone should be treating with their doctor?
Yeah, and it's always a good question, but your doctor, you start with how often your doctor wants to see you, okay? If they want to see you every month, then you're going to be seeing them every month. Every couple of months, then you're going to see them every 2 to 3. But if your doctor thinks that he doesn't need to see you maybe but once every 12 months or so, or every 6 months, I think that that's just too long in order to properly maintain a disability claim. It's really dangerous to not see your doctor at least every 2 to 3 months. And you want to make sure that, and the reason for that is you want to make sure that your file's being documented, that you're papering this file, because when the insurance companies look at this claim, they request your records and they see this gap of a year or more when you haven't seen your doctor, they could potentially go back and say, well, the medical records don't support your claim for disability. There's no documentation of your complaints. There's no documentation of your symptoms. You're telling us things have gotten worse, but that's not being reflected in your records. So minimum every 2 to 3 months, no more than that.
Right, and the reason for that is that we often see denials are random. And that's the thing. They can come from the inception where it's usually not an issue that you haven't been seeing the doctor enough. It's more down the road, a couple years, or after the change of definition at 2 years, and then the disability company says, well, you only went to the doctor once. And the doctor may have told them only come once, but it just doesn't look good. It looks a lot better if you've gone 5 or 6 times a year to your treating doctor. And most people do this because they're suffering, they're always looking for the next type of medication or therapy or something that can get them better. So yeah, definitely at least once every 2 to 3 months, and I think a claimant would be in the best position. And then of course we've talked on other videos about what should go on when you get to the doctor, but that's a whole nother situation, and we encourage people to take a look at our videos or call us if they have any questions about that. So no matter where you live in the country, whether you want to speak with Cesar, myself, or any of our disability lawyers, we'll always provide you with a free immediate consultation to review your long-term disability claim. We have lots of information available on our website where you can search by your company, your occupation, or your medical condition. When you call us, we'll review your policy or your denial letter if you've been denied, and we'll let you know immediately if we can help you. We look forward to speaking with you in the future.